What's up everyone? I know what you're thinking. This is not an architecture video. I know, but sometimes I find cool stuff and I want to share it with you guys. So I've been on Social Blade lately, and for those of you guys that don't know what Social Blade is, it's a website where you could type any YouTuber's name and it'll show you all their analytics. For example, we're gonna do Joe Rogan here. It pops up pretty much any YouTube with that name, but we're gonna go to the real Joe Rogan, the powerful JRE, and it gives you how many uploads he's made. You know, that's because of his podcast, how many subscribers, video views, when the channel was created right here. And then it gives you all these numbers and everything, and it's just pretty fun to look at. You know, your favorite YouTubes. There's PewDiePie versus T-Series, rubbing it in my face. And then down here there's a bunch of graphs, you know, showing you everything, basically the channel health, your subscribers and your monthly subs and your monthly views and all that stuff. So every once in a while, I don't do this too often, but every once in a while I'll type in my name, and I'm not that popular, so I'm not the first one. I'm actually the third one. And there's this other guy named Mooch. I think he's the original one, because the other, well, there's this one, but they only have 58 subs, and all the other like single Mooches out there, they're not that popular. Like this guy though, this is the OG Mooch, and I don't know who he is, but shout out to him. Anyway, when I click on mine, right, I like coming here every once in a while, like I said, because I like looking at all these numbers just for fun. It's a form of entertainment of mine. And as you can see, when we scroll down a little bit, it says that I'm making $2 to $25 every month, and every year I'm making $19 to $301. And I know you guys are like, man, that's garbage. Actually, if I was actually getting paid that, I would be so excited. Because the truth is, I don't make anything, obviously, because I only have 402 subscribers at the time of making that, which I say only, but I don't mean only like it's a little bit. Actually, this is a huge amount. So if you look at that other video, success in YouTube, that I made a while ago, I only had like 10 or 11 subscribers back then, and I was really excited, and I'm super excited to have 402. So that's not the issue. But to make money, you have to have 1,000 subscribers. But anyway, once I do reach 1,000 subscribers, I'll let you guys know if this is true or not. And like I said, I'll be super happy if I get paid any of this. But what's really important, the reason why I wanted to make this video was because I've never seen this tab right here, future projections. And when I saw it, I was like, future projections, what? So I click on it, and it takes me to this page right here with all these numbers and everything. And if you look right here, it's basically telling me where my channel is going to be at in the future. Duh. So if we look at right here, right, that is June 18th. So in just 2 months, it says we're going to have 623 subscribers, which is pretty crazy. And in 6 months, we're going to have broken 1,454 subscribers. Like, that is insane to me. Okay. And then if we scroll all the way to the bottom, it says that in 5 years, I'm going to have 62,000 subscribers, which is just insane. Now, if you guys stick around for 5 years, you'll be able to find out if I make it to this number. Actually, personally, I think I can make it quicker. As time goes by, if I'm still producing good quality stuff, I'm gonna keep growing at an exponential rate. So I don't know how true that is, but I think I could beat it. I really do think that I could beat this number in 5 years. I'm not aiming for anything specifically, but we'll see. So if you guys stick around, we'll find out if we make it to the 62,000 in 5 years. And then just before I let you guys go, I just wanted to point this out. I love what Social Blade thinks of me right here with this curve. If you look at it, it says that I'm just gonna keep going all the way up, right? There's no dip in my future. Social Blade is like, you're in the clear, son, all the way to 62,000 subscribers in 2024. And for future video views, well, I don't care about that right now because it doesn't matter to me. But yeah, so I just wanted to show that to you guys. And like I said, I'm just pointing this out for fun. Let me know down in the comments if you think I'll make it, and give me your honest opinion. Give me your honest opinion. And if you don't think I'll make it, let me know. That's cool too. I'll see you guys down there in the comments.